Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain about proxy server technology and firewall. This is an educational video. If you are interested, please do watch it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's begin to the video. So what is proxy server technology? Here I am explaining in simple words so you can understand easily. So proxy, which means, as the name suggests, it is like pretending something, and here it is act as a gateway between the user and the internet. In the diagram we can see that if the user is trying to access some information from the internet, the proxy will act as an intermediate, and proxy will get that information from internet and revert back to the user. So the web server will think that the request is coming from user, but it is not from the user. Proxy is accessing those information and given back to user. That is what happening here. These are the benefits of proxy server technology. First one, security. Proxy server always hides the user identity from hackers and other agencies. It hides the IP address of the user or host. Second one is speed. It always increases the internet speed using cache memory, and it reduces the bandwidth. Then authentication. Proxy server check the user is authenticated or not. If it is not authenticated, it will block that user. Then site filtering. Using proxy server we can block or allow set particular websites. Then surf log, we can keep record of surfing done by the users or employees using proxy server. When it comes to firewall is act as a wall between the private and public internet, and it monitors and filters the outbound and inbound traffic. These are the few benefits of firewall. Basically, it prevents the hackers from attacking a network. First one is monitor traffic. So firewall inspects each packet which is traveling through the network, and if it finds something fishy, it will instantly block that. Then it has the capability to block trojans, and it prevent the hackers. Hackers always try to attack vulnerable systems. Here the firewall prevent those intrusions which made by the hacker. And if the user is need protection from the unwanted access, through firewall we can make access control also. Hackers look out for privacy information as part of the reconnaissance stage. So if firewall detect any intrusions or malicious activity, firewall can block the DNS information of the site system, so the name and IP will not be visible to the attackers. These are the few benefits of firewall. Basically firewall it prevent the hackers from attacking a network.